Hey! This is how you make granola in 3 very easy steps. It's a cup of porridge oats, and a handful of desiccated coconut, a handful of sunflower seeds, a couple of handfuls of almonds, a handful of walnuts. Doesn't that look yummy? No, not really. In a small saucepan, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 3 to 5 tablespoons of maple syrup or honey. Bring that to a boil and then pour it over your bowl of oats. Toss that together, put it on a baking tray with parchment paper or tin foil. Pop it in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes. I store it in just a leftover coconut oil jar and I put it in the cupboard, and it usually lasts a couple weeks if we don't eat it before it's all done. This is a recipe from Deliciously Ella. I absolutely love her. She has exceptional recipes. She's got great desserts, great main meals. I'm a big fan. So try this recipe out. Check out Deliciously Ella if you've not heard or seen about her before, and I hope you guys have an amazing week ahead. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.